Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about 1 plus tan s squared equals to secant of s squared. So we put this one go in here. Secant of s squared with secant of s squared, we have secant of s to the power of 4. Next, we have secant of s equal to 1 over cosine s. So we put this one to replace this one. This one, cosine s to the power of 4, will go to numerator. And we have cosine s to the power of 5. Now, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine s, du equals to negative sine s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 in here, so we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to b over 2, so we put b over 2 in here to change in u, and we have u equal to number 0. This one we change u, and we have u to the power of 5. Sine s ds we change for negative du. Number 0 we change for number 1, and b over 2 we change for number 0. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 5 we change into u to the power of 6 over 6. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. And now we put number 0 in here, and number 1 go in here. And we have 1 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.